Okay, so today we are going to open this new camera. I bought it from Facebook Market, and this is around $100 cheaper than the main market. So it's seal pack, new, and I hope it's fine. It's a bundle. So let's do opening of this. So we are opening this camera. Let's see what's in. I never opened that before. Okay, let's see what's in. See, this is the camera. This is the camera inside, new. Let me check how to open that. It's opening this thing. So what we have with the camera in the box. So this is the, we can stick it on the bicycle, scooter, anywhere, sticker. And this is a battery, and this is an extra battery because this is bundle. This is cord, this is head strip. We can also put it head on the chest, anywhere, make it. And there is a chip inside, memory chip, and this is 32 GB, good. And we also have this handle to put the camera on the top, and it's, we can also, I mean, how it will work. Yeah, so we can open this, and yes, it can be stand like that. So let's do that. It's fixed with this box. I don't know how to do that. Okay, let's open that. I'm not following any guidelines, so just trying to use my own. Yes, now we have a camera in my hand. Okay, let's try to, let me check where is the battery here. Okay, now it's open. Yes, we don't have battery. Let's open the battery. This is the battery, and let me put the battery in. I think this way, yes. So battery is in, camera is closed, and now we can on. Oh wow, it works. Oh, see, so it's on. GoPro, this is GoPro 8 black, it's active. And how to start that? Shows battery 100%, it's it works. See, this is all touch screen here. We can touch, goes up, we can do many functions with that. So today we are going to try our GoPro 8, and first time I am going to do cycle here, the scooters here in DC, and we'll use this camera for that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.